Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Lessons that Transform Your Financial Mindset. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is a groundbreaking book that reshapes personal finance by contrasting the lessons learned from his two father figures, his biological father, the poor dad, and his best friend's father, the rich dad. Through their differing perspectives on money, Kiyosaki develops a transformative mindset about wealth, success, and financial independence. This essay explores the core principles of the book, from understanding assets versus liabilities to mastering financial literacy, offering powerful insights that can guide anyone toward achieving financial freedom and reshaping their approach to wealth. 1. The importance of financial education. One of the book's central themes is the value of financial education. According to Kiyosaki, most people are taught how to work for money, but not how to make money work for them. Traditional schooling focuses on academic and professional skills, but rarely touches on financial literacy, leaving most people ill-prepared for the complexities of managing money, investing, and building wealth. Rich Dad understood this and taught Kiyosaki that financial education is the key to escaping the rat race. He stressed the importance of learning how money works, how to invest it wisely, and how to spot opportunities that create wealth. Poor Dad, on the other hand, believed in the traditional path of going to school, getting a good job, and working hard for someone else. The problem with this approach, as Kiyosaki realized, is that it keeps people dependent on their paycheck without ever truly achieving financial independence. By seeking out financial education, you can break free from this cycle and start making decisions that build long-term wealth. 2. Understanding assets versus liabilities. One of the most eye-opening lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the distinction between assets and liabilities. According to Kiyosaki, the wealthy focus on acquiring assets, things that put money in their pockets, while the poor and middle class focus on liabilities, or things that take money out of their pockets. This concept may seem simple, but it's one of the most misunderstood aspects of personal finance. 3. The power of entrepreneurship. Rich Dad emphasized the power of owning your own business or investing in businesses as a means to create wealth. While Poor Dad believed in working hard for a steady paycheck, Rich Dad encouraged Kiyosaki to think like an entrepreneur, someone who looks for opportunities to solve problems, build value, and generate income streams beyond a traditional salary. Entrepreneurship allows individuals to break free from the limits of trading time for money. By building or investing in businesses, you can create systems that earn income even when you're not directly involved. This mindset shift, from being an employee to thinking like a business owner, was one of the most transformative lessons Kiyosaki learned. Owning a business or being part of an entrepreneurial venture is one of the most effective ways to achieve financial freedom, as it gives you control over your financial destiny rather than depending on someone else to dictate your income. 4. Embrace risk and failure. Another key takeaway from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the importance of embracing risk and learning from failure. Poor Dad believed in avoiding risk and playing it safe, which led him to a life of financial struggle. Rich Dad, however, encouraged Kiyosaki to take calculated risks, understanding that failure is often a stepping stone to success. In the world of investing and entrepreneurship, there are no guarantees. However, the greatest rewards often come to those who are willing to step outside their comfort zone, take risks, and learn from their mistakes. Rich Dad taught Kiyosaki to view failure as a necessary part of the learning process, not something to fear. This lesson is especially powerful in the financial world, where avoiding risk often means avoiding opportunity. 5. The rat race versus financial freedom. One of the most memorable metaphors in Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the concept of the rat race. The rat race is the cycle of working for a paycheck, paying bills, and repeating the process endlessly without ever getting ahead. Poor Dad was stuck in this cycle, constantly working harder but never achieving financial freedom. Rich Dad, on the other hand, understood that true wealth comes from escaping the rat race by generating passive income and making smart investments. The lesson here is that you must break free from the mindset of working solely for money. Instead, focus on building passive income streams through investments, real estate, or businesses that generate cash flow. The ultimate goal is to achieve financial freedom, the point where your passive income exceeds your living expenses, allowing you to live life on your own terms. 6. The mindset shift. Work to learn, not to earn. Another powerful lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the importance of adopting a mindset focused on learning, rather than just earning. Poor Dad viewed work as a means to an end, a way to pay bills and support the family. Rich Dad, however, saw work as an opportunity to gain valuable skills and knowledge that could later be applied to building wealth. Kiyosaki encourages readers to take jobs or pursue opportunities not just for the paycheck, but for the skills and experiences they offer. Whether it's learning sales, management, marketing, or negotiation, every skill you acquire can be used to create more income-generating opportunities in the future. This mindset shift, from working for money to working for skills, is a cornerstone of the financial lessons in Rich Dad, Poor Dad. 7. The importance of taking action. Finally, one of the most crucial lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the importance of taking action. Knowledge alone won't make you wealthy, you must put that knowledge into practice. Many people understand the concepts of financial independence, but few take the steps necessary to achieve it. Rich Dad emphasized the importance of moving beyond fear, doubt, and procrastination to take calculated risks and make investments. Whether it's starting a business, investing in real estate, or buying stocks, the key to financial success is taking action. Sitting on the sidelines won't get you closer to your goals. You have to be willing to take steps, even if they seem daunting at first. Transform your financial mindset. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a transformative guide that reshapes your approach to wealth and financial freedom. By learning from Rich Dad, you'll see money as a tool for long-term success rather than just something to earn and spend. Key lessons include understanding assets versus liabilities and embracing risk and action, providing a roadmap to escape the rat race. To change your financial mindset, start thinking like the rich. Focus on financial education, asset acquisition, and taking control of your future. The path to wealth is a mindset shift, and Rich Dad, Poor Dad offers the essential blueprint.